Emergency bag, disaster kit, survival kit, or go bag, you name it. It is said to save millions of lives whenever there is a disaster. Now, what are the things inside of this bag and how can this save a lot of lives? Hello, my name is Hesed Sunga and today we are going to tackle about Family Survival Kit or also known as Go Bag. What is a go bag? A go bag is a bag that contains supplies that are needed for survival and kept ready for use in case of an emergency or disaster that needs immediate response and evacuation. Now, let's move forward to the contents or the things that you can see inside of a go bag. First aid kit, medicines, extra t-shirts and towels, on-the-go foods and water, cell phone and power bank, extra money, important documents, flashlight, whistle, alcohol, tissue, and face mask. Number 1. First aid kit. It is a pack that holds supplies used to treat minor injuries, including cuts, scrapes, burns, bruises, and sprain. Things that can be seen here are gauze, bandages, band-aid, betadine, scissors, and many more. Number 2. Medicines. Medicines are used to cure infection, relieve pain, and it is very useful just in case you experience cough, fever, or colds. Number 3. T-shirts and towels. It is very important as it helps ensure your protection from colds and other things that could harm you during a disaster or emergency. Number 4. On-the-go foods. As for survival, we need foods that are accessible such as biscuits or canned goods to prevent starvation or hunger. Number 5. Water. Having a secure, safe, drinkable water should be a top priority for your go bag, as this is the most essential element of survival. Number 6. Cell phone and power bank. It is a great convenience to call your loved ones, dial a hotline, or stay updated with news and weather updates using your phone. Number 7. Money. Having enough cash is good to pay for your food, water, meat, and other necessities while evacuating. Number 8. Important documents such as IDs, driver license, passports, medical history are important to keep as these are legal documents needed throughout your life. Number 9. Flashlight and whistle. These two can help and guide you as whistle can help signal others when you're stranded and need rescue, and flashlight when it's night or when in dark areas. And lastly, alcohol, tissue, and face masks. These are also needed as we are still under the pandemic crisis and also to prevent spreading of diseases. Now you do know what's inside my go bag. It's time to know yours. What's in your go bag? Go bag is very helpful and can save millions of lives as long as you know how to use it and how to prepare it. My name's Hesed Sunga. That's more than a minute. See you next week.